So how to transfer money from Halifax to Monzo. So to transfer money from Halifax to Monzo, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up the Halifax app, which as you can see, we've got it open right here. And then once you've got Halifax open, you want to switch over to your Monzo app and make sure your Monzo banking is open to the main page here. And then once you're on this page, you simply just want to select Add Money. Then once you've selected Add Money, you'll see this easy bank transfer option right at the top here. And you just want to go ahead and select See All Banks. Then once you've selected See All Banks, you should see Halifax listed right here. So you just want to go ahead and select it. Then once you've selected Halifax, you simply just want to input the amount that you want to send from Halifax to your Monzo account. So for the example of this video, we're just going to input £10. Then once you've inputted the amount you want to transfer over to Monzo, click Agree and Continue. And then once you're on this page here, you simply just want to select Just Transfer. Then once you've done that, it then pulls you through to your Halifax app. Obviously keep in mind it might take a while, but once you've done that, it will then pull you through to this page here, where it will simply just ask you to authorize the payment. So you'll need to scroll down here and click Continue. And then once you've done that, you then just need to wait a little bit, and then it will pull you back through to your Monzo app, where it will then confirm the transfer, and it is as simple as that. And if you now head over to your transaction history, you should see the transfer listed right here, and that is how you can easily transfer money from Halifax to Monzo using Monzo Easy Transfers. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below, and thanks again for watching.